Good yo, Ruds here. Today's post-shave review features Stirling Soap Company Aftershave. Stirling Soap Company is one of the OG artisans here in the traditional wet shaving community, having been established in 2012 by Rod and Mandy Lovan. Great members of our community, great customer service. All of their products punch well above their price point, and they're really known as the best bang for your buck in the wet shaving space, whether you're a new user or an established veteran of the hobby. Their aftershave is well known. It's they have such a wide scent variety that many people seek out their aftershaves to pair with soaps that just don't have aftershaves available to them. Stirling Soap Company can be purchased direct from their website at maggoodrazors.com, westcoastshaving.com, or if you're in Canada, top of the chain. So I chose South Padre because it's a summer release scent from Stirling Soap Company that was discontinued in 2016, but it's my absolute favorite summer scent available, or that's ever been available, I should say. This is sort of a petition to have it brought back summer of 2020. I hope the community here will get behind it and bother Rod and Mandy enough that they do bring it back. It's a scent that features notes of coconut, aqua, lavender, and blood orange. And the blend itself really reminds you of a beach on a hot day beside the ocean. You get the smells of the ocean air, the sand, the hot sun, as well as suntan lotion. And it's just such a wonderful summer scent. Mrs. Ruds approves of this for casual use. She likes the scent a lot. She's a beach bunny, so that didn't surprise me that she really liked this scent. And trythatsoap.com recommends Katie's Bubbles Ocean Grove has a similar scent profile. So this aftershave features a skin-rich ingredients list, which I will list below for you to take a peek at. It does have a high alcohol kick when you initially put it on that quickly dissipates. You can feel the ingredients on your skin long after application. Particularly, it leaves a bit of an oily sensation on your skin. So if you do have a high oil skin naturally, you may want to seek something different out, because this will leave you a bit oily and really protect your freshly shaven skin. Like all of the other Stirling Soap Company products, this one definitely punches well above its price point, and as such receives a post-shave score of 85. For similar performing post-shaves, I'd suggest you check out Murphy McNeil or Summer Break Soap's alcohol splashes. So, Stirling Soap Company Aftershave Splash is well known in the community, one of my favorites to use on a consistent basis. The plethora of scent offerings allow me to pair it with just about anything based on what I want to do with it, and their cologne dupe scents are really in my wheelhouse and gain approval from Mrs. Ruds quite often. So I have quite a few of these, and I do hope they will bring back South Padre in 2020. As always, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you have anything to say. And if you're not already a subscriber, please become one. See ya.